Alright, good morning, good morning. I am doing something a little different today. I already have everything turned on, so I don't need to worry about that. I'm gonna,
Order submitted.
What's that?
hi Jennifer.
Order canceled.
Hello.
Alright, I'm gonna,
Oh,
oh, what's this? No.
Order submitted. Order canceled.
Alright, that's fast. I have fast on. I need to,
Order submitted.
I wonder if there's gonna be
Yeah,
a bunch of
that's what you want to hear is when it says target field.
I can't. You guys can't make me laugh. What the fuck do I have this on? Oh my god, I was on with. Why the fuck do I have this on this? I'm gonna have to change that. It's in a short for $230.
Cancel.
Alright, but I'm gonna need to disable this because I have it on a simulation account that I already have other stuff on. I'm gonna put it on like two.
Ugh,
Alright, I have to go check on my bread.
it's moving too much.
Alright, now I'm live on YouTube, so you guys cannot say like specifics, but you guys can say whatever you want about trades that are happening or what you see, whatever. But let's see. But I'm
Like,
not.
what are we doing?
What was that? You were wondering what I was doing? I can't talk today. See, now I'm gonna end up talking more than I would have anyway. All right. George needs to get on here because he had a short on CL. Oil's already 2 for 2. All right, I'm gonna put.
Not me. That was another George.
Yeah, he's not on. I know you guys have the same exact name.
Order failed.
Literally the same name. See, now I'm not gonna be able to set up fast, so it is what it is. I'll put scalper here.
Yeah.
All right.
she's sick.
Yeah, she's been really sick.
You know I can hear you, right?
There we go. That was a good one.
For what? What are you taking? What is happening? I'm so confused.
Ooh, man, look at that thing jumping.
I'm gonna have to mute Michael. He doesn't know he's mute. He's not muted. All right, I have to go check on my bread. I'll be right back. We're in the chop zone, so it doesn't really matter. Hi Justin. Good morning. If you're on, you are not muted. I could just.
Oh,
I'm muting everyone, and then you can unmute yourself if you want to say something. Mute. If you want to say something, that's fine. Mute. All right, you can unmute yourself if you want to contribute to the stream. I have to go check on my bread. Hold on 1 second. Alright, I'm back. I had slow on overnight, and it was red, like $1,200. And I tried to just put fast on, but it's giving me a hard time. And it's already 9:35 is not bad. Let's see if it works here. Oh no, George has the flu. Alright, I was able to get fast back on. I sound okay, but I really don't feel good. Alright, NQ range yesterday was 2 for 2. I'm not on TikTok. I need to get on TikTok. ES was 2 for 2. Oil was 2 for 2. And then oil is 2 for 2 so far today as well. So I have a level here. 11,105. I came back to... I might actually end the Zoom. I don't know if this was a good idea.
Order submitted.
Fast isn't a long. Alright, I'm gonna... You know what I didn't do? I didn't even post the link for YouTube. I'm like a silly person. Alright. I'm going to get off the Zoom. I don't know, maybe it was too much for me to handle today, but I'm gonna get on TikTok, and YouTube is still running. So I'll just stay on for whatever I'm comfortable doing, because I have 2 student sessions later today, and I feel like crap. So I need to preserve my voice for that. All right, so let's move over to YouTube. Sorry, guys. I was trying to do something cool and let my members kind of have the floor this morning, but I'm a control freak, and I don't think it's going to work out for me. All right, this is short. This is fast. I was going to say short. I don't know why I said that. Good morning, good morning. I'm a little late today. I was on a call that I had to take. So we're in the middle of the chop zone. The chop zone doesn't exit until 11:72. So for now, we're just in the middle of the chop zone. Which is fine, because conservative scalper, the pink NQ, is actually looking quite appropriate for that as well. All right, so we're not in this long, but this was a nice little move up here. I have my tea. I will probably only be on here till 10 o'clock. I feel like I said that yesterday, and then I was on till like 10:20. Well, we had that big trade on the NQ pink scalper yesterday, but then yesterday around lunch, yeah, sure, I was trying. So many people that don't know how Zoom works. Travel safe, David. So yesterday I went to get lunch, and there were ES took 2 trades, was 2 for 2, NQ was 2 for 2, and oil was 2 for 2. Like, it was a great day yesterday. This NQ trade took a minute, so it got short here, it kind of pulled back up, and then it dropped. And then this had an immediate second trade, which was awesome. So this was $1,100 win yesterday, 2 trades. ES was a $750 win yesterday. It hit target immediately on this one. This one took a little longer, and then it hit target. And oil yesterday was 2 for 2 as well for $600. So here and here. And then today, oil has already gone 2 for 2 today for another $600. So we are 100%. We're in this. We were 100% yesterday. And then that NQ pink scalper yesterday made, I think it ended around 1,500 or 1,200 or something. But the first trade was the big move where, hey, KW, where it was $2,500 at the high. Please tap the screen if you appreciate the stream. Oh, there's 0 likes, you guys. Come on, just like 100 of you in here. Please tap the screen, and if you don't already subscribe or follow me, please do so. I go live every day, typically around like 9:20 to 10:30. Sometimes a little earlier. Yesterday I got on a little earlier, but I feel like crap and my voice hurts, so it's hard for me to do these currently.
Order submitted.
No.
Order held.
So, oh shoot. I'm like not even following this. What was that? Oh, was that Santa? Santa just took a trade. You guys, I didn't even remember about Santa for a second. All right, Santa special took a short, but it hit the offset.
Order submitted.
Yeah, this bug is horrible. Well, that's on this. See, oh, well, I did that wrong. I have them on the same. I'm going to need to change that. I'll probably just turn fast off, honestly. I'm going to let it exit on this one. Well, now it's green like $90. 120. All right, so I'm testing Santa, and obviously I'm testing fast. You guys know that. But I put them both on the same account, which is something you shouldn't do. So I'm trying to get out of this trade so then I can focus more on Santa. Santa had a bad day yesterday. That was the only thing that had a bad day yesterday. All right, so it moved itself. You can see on this long green 175. Let's see if it takes itself out here. All right, and then I'm going to get rid of the fast. So I'm going to focus on Santa. Santa's taken one trade, 1 for 1. Yeah, I pinned the YouTube link in announcements as I always do, and in the regular chat. All right. Thanks for the likes, guys. If you're on YouTube, please give a thumbs up if you can. It's appreciated. Kyle, like, what do you like a lot, Kyle? So we are still in the chop zone. Remember, the bottom is 1170. Nope, these have nothing to do with moving averages. Yep, it's not in the spreadsheet. It's the Santa special is not going to be added until the first of the year. So this is the Santa special, and then this is all just my regular stuff. This was NQ yesterday. This is ES yesterday. Oil's already 2 for 2 today, but we're in the middle of this chop zone, so we might get a short with Pink Scalper. We'll have to see. Yeah, I've been just eating honey on a spoon like every few hours. It actually, I feel like the honey has helped more than anything else. So in front of you is the Santa special, which has taken one trade and it hit the offset. And now it's flagging for a long. Ginger for the cough. Oh, well, that's good to know. Then I might have to add some ginger. I thought the honey like coated your throat, and that's why people did that. I feel like I only have a cough because I don't know, whatever is in my throat is like dry. It's like this, I don't know. I feel like once my throat is okay, then I'm not coughing as much. If that makes sense. Like I took NyQuil. When I take NyQuil, I sleep okay. Cold and cough or cold and flu or whatever it is. All right. So it's 9:44. Okay, Bob, I will do that. You know I drink tea all day. I've been drinking even extra tea. Yes, it's fully automatic. If you want more information on the fully automated algorithm, you can email me. Boldbot. I feel like I can't even get through a sentence. boldbotllc@gmail.com. Oh, never mind. We're probably too far down. We are. Oh, nice. Wolf said, Rain, help me pass my profit goal for my prop firm account. Just need to get trading days in. Everything. Very good. Very good. I'm so happy for you. Yep, I go live every day from 9:15 to 10:30. I'm just not talking as much as I normally do because my throat is horrible. All right, we are touching the bottom of that chop zone. Remember, the chop zone is a proprietary area that's given to my members every day at 8 a.m. Thanks for the rose. And this yellow level as well, which is the LIS. Thank you, Oscar. I appreciate you. So, I was telling Bill last night. Yeah, any laptop you can get on your platform. Like, if you're using VPS, you can get on that with anything, like any computer, essentially, phone, iPad. But what was I saying? Oh, last night I decided to make bread. I've never made, well, I guess I've made like cookies from scratch, but I've never really baked many things from scratch. Anyway, I made bread, like loaves of bread. I mixed it up last night and then I let it sit, and then this morning I just baked it, so it's sitting on my counter right now. Like, I have two like thick baguettes and they look so good and I'm so excited. I feel like I told Bill I'm becoming Susie Homemaker.
Order submitted.
Well, now that I feel like I don't even go out anymore. Like, I go get something to eat and then I come right back home. I never used to be a homebody. I used to always be the person that was like out. I'm like, oh, why are we sitting around? And now I just enjoy being in my house, not doing anything. So now I want to find more things to make. Also, I'm going to be making desserts for Christmas. So I'm doing these like, because there's a bunch of kids, I'm doing these Rice Krispie wreaths. So you use cornflakes instead of Rice Krispies and you make like a wreath out of them, which is fun. And you use like some food coloring dye. And then I'm going to do brownies. And then was there something else I was going to do? Anyway. Oh, we're in a long on Santa. It's green $45. With what? So I accept either KW, but most just do PayPal. Like, I have my link is all through PayPal. I don't. Oh, there it is. I was like, what? Sorry. I had to get Santa together. I didn't have the chart trader on. I thought I did from the last. Oh, you know what it was? I could have kept fast on. This was just pointing to that account. They weren't both on that account. Oh no, I can't do peanut butter. No. People are obsessed with peanut butter. Like, I feel like it's a very strong obsession. You know, I've never had a peanut butter and jelly because I think jelly's gross. This is the NASDAQ. I'm always trading the NASDAQ. Mohammed, I feel like you've been part of the stream before, no? This is the NASDAQ on the Santa special setup. It's green, $200. Jelly is gross. Are you kidding? Well, that's what I've said. All right, Santa's 2 for 2 for the break-even offset of 150. Can I run bold range on futures currencies like Canadian dollar? Yes, you can. Yes, Eduardo. But you need to have the data for that. Like, I don't think the CME group covers currencies. So you would just have to have the data. As long as you have the data, you can do it. Yes, it works with Apex. I have several people in my group that use Apex. Sorry, I didn't see your question earlier. I have several people that have passed evaluations with Apex using my automated system. I posted one the other day. I put it on my social media too. So this is Greg. Greg uses Apex. This was Friday. He said 2 accounts funded using, the strategies. And he went from 10K to 14K on his manual account because he's one of my students. So he also manually trades. Peter, no. No, Peter. Let's keep that for the student corner. You're probably going to think it's too expensive if you're hoping it's not too expensive. It smells like a Bertucci's in here. Do you guys know what Bertucci's is? Wolf said he passed. The person that was asking is in the YouTube chat. But if you're on my TikTok, Wolf is in my group and he passed using Apex, using the automated system. So it looks like this is going to be another offset.
Order filled.
So 3 for 3 on Santa, but just with offsets. It's 9:53. I'm going to give you guys like a few more minutes of my life. Yeah, so it's $500 for the first 3 weeks and then $1,000 every month after that. That's the price. I want to go have a piece of bread. It smells so good. Oh, now I have hiccups. That's just great. Very interesting. Alright, I have 2 student sessions later today, and then I have 2 tomorrow morning. I might not be able to do a live tomorrow morning. If I have to do 2 hours back to back at 11, it's gonna be a lot. So we'll see. Like, I want to go live every day, but it doesn't help that I'm constantly talking with this cold or sore throat or whatever it is. Pete says it's worth every penny in the YouTube chat. Thanks, Pete. You're so sweet. Alright, Santa's in another long. Take a water. I have tea right in front of me with honey. It doesn't help. Peter, was it you or no, Randy and I on Thursday. I was drinking water and I was like having coughing fits the whole time. You'll let it slide. Thank you. Yeah, that's how fast I type. I type 80 words per minute. It's actually, I feel like it's quite normal. Like, what's the average? 65? Like, it's not much more. All right, green 250 on the Santa long here. See if we actually get a runner. Remember, this is back in the chop zone, so I wouldn't be manually taking this. Look at that fake out. And I pulled it right back up. No bueno. Thanks, Wolf. I appreciate you. Green 365 on this long now. So again, this is my trail stop, this little thin green line. Now it's green, $600. This is the trail stop. This is the hard stop, which is in the green. So this is a guaranteed green trade. It's green $780 now, $800. $820. Let's see if it can get any higher. This is kind of this area over here. It got to like exactly this. 11,150 and rejected at 940. So we'll see if it can move up, or if not, then it will pull down and exit this trade. But this is why taking my mentorship helps, because I teach you all of this. To use 2 cars starting. What? What do you recommend to use?
Order submitted.
What? I don't understand the question, KW. 2 cars. What's a 2 car? NQ pink is in a long. Green, $250. We're still in this, $975. Who reminded me yesterday to take a picture? I'll do it now. What are we, $1,000 on this Santa? $1,000? $300 on the NQ pink scalper. Sorry, I need to retake this picture. I didn't have the time at the bottom. I'm like real finicky about stuff like that. All right, $1,200 on this long on Santa. Look, Santa's making up for the loss it had yesterday. Oh, you guys can't even see that. Let me squish it down. There you go. All right, if it comes back and it closes under this candle, it will take profit. Also over here is the conservative with the NQ pink. Fuck. The pink is green. NQ pink is green, $300. So I know people are manually managing that. It's all real. Muhammad. There are... This is being tested, but it's a real setup. This is real for $350 on live. $420 now. I have 195 people currently in my group that all use these strategies. So, yeah. I think they have to be pretty legit for people to stay and pay the amount of money that they're paying. We're green $500 on NQ pink. Y'all. NQ pink, $500. $1,355 on the Santa. Green 600 on NQ pink. I can't wait to see you guys that ran this today. Where the hell is the thread for today? There we go. And see, Steve, this is why we don't just go off of what people say. Oh, good job, Sam. Sam is being very aware of his surroundings. I didn't actually move mine today. So see, then, Sam, you would get out here and take that $600 or whatever it is, because you're aware of your surroundings, and I taught you what to look out for. See, Felix is in the chat on YouTube for Muhammad, and he just said he joined yesterday, and it's real as it gets. And Felix actually just signed up for my one-on-one coaching, so he will be learning more from me in the future. $1,500 on the Santa. And the pink NQ, if you're in this, a lot of my members are running this today. It's green. It hit like 780 or something a minute ago. There we go, 750. Nice job, Lamborghini. Get those profits, boy. Yes, Pete, be aware. Be very aware. What time is it? What's around you? Like, and I'm not going to do any more teaching because I give too much for free away on this stream. But my students know what's up. We had a student call last night. If you missed it and you're one of my students, I did record it and put it in the student channel. Yep, Kyle took the digital. He's already learning a bunch. Pretty much most of the people in this live stream are like active members of mine. All right, so we're still in the Santa special for 1500. Obviously, you could take this stop loss and move it up if you wanted to, but there's no reason to do that because this is a trail stop right here, and it will exit the trade for you. We went as high as this 87. That's literally exactly where it was at 6 a.m. Do you guys see this? Where are my students? I gotta take a picture for my students. All right, this might end. Oh, that was a horrible picture because there was a cursor in the way. Sorry. All right, and then I'm getting off the stream. I feel like shit. All right, sorry, one more. All right, I didn't send the other one to my admin like I typically do for Twitter. For Twitter. All right, now I wanted to take a picture of this other thing to show my students. Where did it come from? All right, 1500. Still in this trade. We're still in the NQ. $780. It went higher. It went to 93, so we were able to push. Yep, Jimmy, congrats. But that break-even offset is at break-even, so this is the trail, Jimmy. So you can take this and move it up, and that's part of what the mentorship teaches you about kind of where to understand if it's coming at resistance and where to be possibly closing the trade, taking profit, or moving your trail up. Because it's just going to sit at break even, which is what I let it do, but it won't exit until it comes back across the trail and this closes red. So I've had it before where it's been green like $800 and then it comes back and it closes out the trade for zero. So don't let it close you out for zero, Jimmy, please. Oh, this took profit. So the Santa special took profit here at 11,174. Remember, the pink is more conservative, so it has a bigger trail. Like, it's going to try to stay in this entire trade. Like, you could follow the trail level. All right, so now I'm going to bring this into focus because that one's done. The Santa special is green, $1,610 on the day. So this is the NQ pink. It's green, $1,000. Now it's green 1200. Yep. So it will always sit here. It will never move again. The only thing that will help you, Jimmy, is the thin green line. But it would have to come back and go under the green line, and this green line would have to turn red. So I'm just saying that could happen, and then you would be back at like 11,150, which would only be like a 9-point gain. So, you know, just be aware. But with every new candle, you can see that the trail just went higher. If every new candle goes higher, the trail will move higher. So yeah, let's just post that stuff in the group, Jimmy. Yeah, I only have one. I guess you guys still have some. I only have the one. But yes, good idea. Guys, my admin, I'm going to post it in the thing. She will be gone for a few hours. And I actually have to leave the house at 10:30 today. Didn't I say I was getting off at 10 and it's already 10:10? Yeah, I'm not going to tell you that information, Noah. My members know that information, most of it, but you don't get that information until you're part of the group. So we're green $1,100 on this one contract on NQ. If you want more information, just email me, boldbotllc@gmail.com.
Order submitted.
All right, so we're pulling back a bit here. You can see, again, I'm not going to touch it. You could touch it if you wanted to. Santa isn't a short. It has to go green $200 before this is moved back into the positive. So it's at 125, 140. If it gets to 165, if it gets to 200, then that stop loss will be moved into the positive. Nice, Charlie. Very nice. We'll see. Just keep it tight. But yeah, I'm not going to touch the pink. Like, obviously, you guys should. We talk about that in the group for, you know, something like today. But I'm not, just because I like all of my results. Yeah, mine aren't, Noah. They're literally based off of, like, my brain. I'm going to leave it as it is, and when it closes itself out, then I will post those results in the results channel of our group, as I always do. Also, I need to update this, 1610. Oh, Santa is at 200, so it's a guaranteed green trade here now on Santa. So you wouldn't have to worry about any kind of a loss on this trade, because it moved down in the positive $200. Santa is green 300. All right, so that Santa took profit. Santa is now green $1,810. And we are still in the pink. See how this trail stop is now curling? And it will just flatten out. If we come and touch this and it turns red, it will exit me from the trade. So it could be like a $500 win if it wants to exit in this area. I'm going to update Santa's 1810. Santa's in another short.
Order canceled.
All right, so we're out of NQ pink. NQ pink scalper is out. See how this just crossed here and it turned red? This was something I was explaining to Bart earlier today, because historically this could show as green. If we start moving back up, historically this would show as green, but we can see it's red, and that's why it took us out of the trade. Pretty much exactly what I said. I made $490 on this one trade. Each trade is only one contract. One contract of the NQ is $1,000. You could do one contract of a micro and it's $100, and then you would have a tenth of the win. So my $500 win, you would have a $50 win per micro. So say you take 5 micros, that would mean you would have to have $500 in your account, and then you would have made $250. So essentially 50% of what you're putting up in this trade you would have made. Also, Santa in this secondary short is guaranteed green. So Santa's already made $1,810 on the morning, and it's in this other short here for $200. Let me show you, and then I'm going to get off of here. I need to get dressed and go to my doctor's appointment. And my doctor's appointment is not even for my voice, which is annoying. So $1,810. It's taken 5 trades, and it's been 100%. Nice job. I'm proud of you, George.
Order filled.
All right, so Santa is out of that. $1,885 currently. And NQ pink is green, $490. NQ pink yesterday was $15.70. So far on the week, NQ pink with 1 mini has taken about 7 trades, and it's made over $2,000. Remember, Santa, even though it's super green today, it was red 1,400 yesterday. So on the week, it's still green, but only about $500. And you pay more because there's a lot more transactions, trades. Every trade you have to pay $5. So if you want more information about my bot, just email me, boldbotllc@gmail.com. You can lease it from me. This is the futures market. I go live every single day from 9:15 to 10:30. Nice job, Pete. But I'm about to jump off of here. I have a doctor's appointment at 11 across town. And then I have 2 student sessions later today. I need to go chug some honey for my throat. So, looking real good on the morning. Yep. Santa knows what it's doing. Santa is the seer of everything, right? Alright, I will be back tomorrow. Well, as long as I feel okay. I have 2 student sessions later today, and then I have a double tomorrow at 11, which is hard. So, yeah, it's just my voice. Nothing else is hurting. Sometimes I get a headache, but that's it. So, I hope you guys have a good day. If you're part of the group, I will talk to you guys in a little bit. You know, I'll be around. And, yeah. Email me if you want more information or if you have questions. We're green. Like, I'll show you all of these really quickly. So, this is the Santa special. It's green, almost $2,000 on 1 mini. This is the scalper on the pink, which is our conservative setup, and that's $500 on 1 mini. And this is oil, which has been 2 for 2 today for $600. So, if you're running all 3 of those on like 2 separate accounts, then you would be green $3,000 on the day. Eat some jelly. Get out of here. All right, guys. I'll talk to you tomorrow. Thanks for joining. Eric, it's $500 for the first 3 weeks, and then it's $1,000 every month after that. So, all right. You can email me for more information, Eric. Bye, guys. Bye, YouTube.